What we have here is a part of the Simple Rockets 2 simulator or game, which is mainly about rockets, but it has some planes. So this F-18 is on planet Drew, and it's a fictional planet. And the beautiful about it that we can tweak some things. So the original uh, speed at the equator for the surface of this planet is around 160 meters, but I changed that to over 2000 meters per second. Now this plane here is pointing west, as you can see, right? And the rotation speed is east. Now this here is the speed of the airplane, and as you see, it's 0 in relation to the ground and in relation to the atmosphere or the air. But I have an option here to switch from surface speed to orbital speed, and when I do that, the orbital speed is displayed 2862 meters, and as you see, there's a pointer here telling you what's the vector of that speed. So this airplane is, while it's standing still on ground, it's moving in space towards the east with that speed. Now let's try to take off and see what's gonna happen. Start the engines. And it's worth noticing here that the speed is decreasing. That's the orbital speed, it's decreasing. Now we're airborne. Tracked landing gear. Speed is still decreasing. Now let's check the surface speed. The surface speed is increasing. So let's get some high speed and see where that is taking us to. Right, now let's try fly straight level. Now we're starting to gain speed. But let's look from space. How does this look like? So now my focal point is the planet. The planet is moving east, or spinning east. The airplane heading is west. Now let's fast forward and see what's gonna happen. You can see that my surface speed is increasing because I'm gaining some altitude, and yeah, now I'm supposedly supersonic. But I'm still moving backward in space. And if you look at the ground features here, you can see that the airplane is going to be above the ocean in a bit, but it's still moving east. Now let's get the vectors of the velocity. Surface speed is going west. Orbital speed is going east. So there's nothing hard to grasp here.